Oriental Mindoro Governor Bonz Dolor has announced that grade 12 students in the province may keep the tablets that the capital provided them. Dolor gave this justification on the legality of his decision. The Politico also shared in his Facebook post the message from the provincial accountant explaining the audit of expense below 15,000 pesos. Dolor said students who have returned their tablets can coordinate with their schools to reclaim the gadget. The Politico hopes these tablets may further help the students in their education amid the pandemic.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.